Funnel on your right, Cordell.
Funnel on your right. Funnel on your right.
I see it.
See it? See it? See it dropping?
Yeah.
Right there, chat. Right there.
Oh, it's spinning.
Yeah. It's spinning. Yeah, chat.
Next road, turn right.
Okay.
This has been the best opportunity.
Turning right on
Big wall cloud.
2800 north.
This is all a wall cloud.
Okay, sounds good. Trying to catch up.
Very good.
I'm going stop signs.
Yeah. 2800 north. Turn right.
Okay, we'll do.
This is inflow. Oh my God.
Very successful.
Put that up there.
Turning right. Look at this.
Okay, I see your lights up at it.
Yes, we're turning right here.
I'm trying to catch up about hydroplaning.
Look at this. Called it. Where's the rotation at?
Still a tornado one. It still says it's north of us.
Let's see.
Up there. Keep going. It's going to be over these trees.
Is it still heavy? Is the rotation still strong?
Yeah, it's still the two pockets.
Oh my gosh. Getting onto some gravel road. Gravel road.
Okay, what is that to your northeast? I see like a tube.
Northeast.
In the sky, like in the clouds.
See that?
Yeah, it looks like.
It's inflow.
Is that a funnel? Am I tripping?
I'm not seeing it.
Okay, Seaground, can you guys slow down, please?
Yes, we're slowing down. We're slowing down.
Okay. Trying to
Catch this man.
first time, please. Oh, okay.
We're trying to get out of this gravel road.
Yeah, at least it's wet, so it's not hitting up in the car too much.
I got bad news about the gravel. That's all I'm seeing.
A 45 wasn't.
I mean, we're chilling because I think that's the columns I'm seeing of rotation up there. But this is really interesting right here.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can see better with my camera.
Oh, I'm all over the place. This road's slippery or something. The rocks. Ooh, don't go on it.
15 years total.
Can you guys wait there? Please?
Yes.
Hey, I'm coming out.
Yes.
Sorry. Alright.
We're good, isn't it? There's just like rocks in my tire wheel. Tire wheel. Might have to clean that up.
Probably is.
I'm gonna have to clean it up. This is interesting.
It's very dark.
This is the best. This is the best
Oh,
one.
and the cloud looks cool too.
Watch out, puddle.
Okay,
Damn.
I see it. Thank you.
Drift.
Oh yeah, it's big.
Where are we at?
Big rotation.
We're still far behind.
I know, because we're going. It's going 45. We're going 45.
Hey, open up the stock.
I mean, you can maybe shoot north of 45.
45? Yeah, let's do that. I ain't trying to be
See if I can find
puddle.
some gravel.
Oh my gosh, this puddle's city here.
Yeah, man. Hey, thankfully it's not mud, so.
At least you got all-wheel drive. The car's gliding.
Yeah. Mine is too. It's the rocks. Yeah, you have a car washed on.
You just said, Max just said tornado down.
Where?
In front of. Oh my God!
Where's that?
Where's that drop? Right in front of us.
Gosh, I hate driving in these puddles.
I don't see anything. It's a cloud.
Yeah, because we're.
Oh my gosh.
We have no parking before you know it.
Does he say dangerous?
Oh my God, man. And we're perfect. We're behind it, dog.
Where?
It would be over there.
So go north?
Yes, yeah, go north because this is good. Oh, we'll go north. I can't tell.
Turn.
And it's asphalt. We're probably gonna go 70 down the road here.
He's obviously very strong. Got a big CC job. The other thing is.
Go 100. It's splitting too. It's not rain wrapped anymore. Maybe.
Where we at?
We're out of the tornado warning. Our phones are about to go off again. Observed.
Who observed it?
I don't know.
This
Probably
road?
because of the CC drop. Oh my god.
I know.
Is it over the river right now? I'm gonna be sick. There's a chaser on this too.
Bro. I can't watch this iPad anymore, bro. Phone's gonna go off.
Oh, yeah, we have mentioned
What?
about this.
I bet you all these people driving in this area are chasers.
100%.
Where's it at? Which one is it? That one?
You want me to turn on the license?
Yeah. Showing cops here. We're way behind it.
CC split. Might not be on the ground anymore. Rotation broadening out. I'll be shocked if they extend the warning. But still, this is the only thing going on right now. That tornado warning south is going away. We're on the only tornado warned storm right now.
Tag main plus?
I gotta get you a road real quick.
Sharp turn ahead, sir.
Okay, we're fine.
Okay, thank you.
And just sharp turn right, sharp turn left.
Yep.
Yep, you can see that.
And we lose this road at US 1. Oh my gosh. Oh.
That's sharp.
Yep.
Yes, car. Oh my God, cousin doesn't know how to look at the link on my story there.
Otis Road, ironically. We're in the one town silo or a silo spell or something last storm.
What?
We're in that one town where I need the news. Martinton about the silos or something that fell apart. It was sometime this year.
The March storm?
It's called Martinton we're in right now.
Yeah. About to come up on
Maybe
it.
it was, I think it was Silo. Yeah.
You,
We gotta shoot north. Tornado warning gone. Autumn white warning's gone. Hang on. What is this glitch, bro?
I don't know. The new update's weird.
Wait, rotation, stop. Rotation right in front of us.
Is it this
What
right
is that? Is it a funnel?
Where? That? I can't see.
Rotation right in front of us. Right in front of us. Big rotation. That one. See if I can see something on my phone.
Wait, is it good? Let's see.
Put you off your wipers.
Does it go? Yeah. Does it go as far as US 1 or no?
It's right before US 1.
Before? We're about to
Before,
hit
I
US
know.
1.
We're about to hit it. It'd be right in front of us. It'd be when it's on you.
It's right here?
Because we got a wall cloud right here. It's not that. I don't think it's that. I think it's this wall cloud right here. Because it's green. It's green.
Nothing behind us, right?
Nothing. We have a storm chaser in front of us.
Is that it right there? Is that
That's what I was looking at
Yeah.
the entire time. I can't tell if it's spinning though.
Is it dropping? Look at that. Right there, chat. Right there.
That has to be it.
Yeah.
Funnel on your right, Cordell.
Photo on your right. Photo on your right.
I see it.
See it? See it? See it dropping?
Yeah.
Right there, chat. Right there.
Well, it's spinning.
Yeah.
It's spinning.
It's spinning.
Get out of that car.
We're still headed east. Headed east. Headed east.
My mom.
It's not letting me add on Snap.
Like that. Should we go right here?
Yeah.
Tornado. I don't care.
We're here at McDonald's. What are you doing?
Tornado.
Oh, look, you already see it? Look, there's a tornado. Show us where. Guys, kids start chasing right there. But where? Where?
Illinois, Indiana border by Lafayette.
By Lafayette, Indiana, Illinois border.
Look at that. Look at it spiraling.
I got a good video, bye.
Look at-
Right away. No,
Oh my god, is that the entire thing?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's huge!
You're gonna get better pictures. Hey, buddy, where do we get the train station from this McDonald's? Remember?
I don't know, Mom. You gotta look it up. Let me see your location. Look, it's hidden. It's. Are you by
Look at these
Millennium?
chasers. Look at these chasers.
We're trying to find Millennium. Remember
I
Millennium?
Oh yes. Martinton. Where should we go? 52? It's good. Where? These chasers too?
Probably. Yep, go here. This road goes straight left.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! We disconnected and connected back.
Okay.
Go. Did we lose Cordell?
Cordell stopped.
Why?
I don't know. You want to get a picture?
Cheese dog.
Oh my gosh. December of all months.
We did it.
We did it. My life's complete.
We don't have to chase anymore.
Yep.
If it drops again right in front of us right now, jeez. Check the rotation. Rotation rotted. brought in. Oh no, strengthening.
Oh shoot.
There's the fact that there's probably twins in this too, because there's still a rotation up there.
It's gone.
It'll drop. But I got a video, sent a video. Look how sad that looks.
Yeah. Still. Come on, bro. Tag Max. Get us favor.
Is that a road going straight down? Dude, we're gonna get on it. We're gonna get on it right here. We're gonna get on it.
It's crazy how we're behind it.
And holes. So what? I did it good for once. I told you to turn left instead of to go north. So.
Yep.
Oh my god. All because we shot through that. I'm getting better at this. You remember how bad I was?
Yeah.
There's a chaser in it.
Nope.
There's no more green now. So we're gonna see. We're about to hit against some heavy rain right here. Let's see.
Should we keep on going?
Yeah, it's still warm. It's still the only warm storm right now.
Can you click stop recording?